In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Epic Games and Launcher in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and search for apps. We'll be having this add or remove programs. Open it, and here we'll be having search this list. Just search for Epic, and we'll be having here two things. One is Epic Games Launcher and online services. Just click on it and select uninstall. So after you have uninstalled, you won't be having here anything. And if I go to control panel, also programs and features, if I search here for Epic, you won't be having anything. And also make sure that you have completely closed Epic Games before uninstalling. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.